How to use Grab safely during peak hours. Riding with Grab during rush hour. Let's make it safe and smart every time. First, open the app and check for surge pricing and long ETAs. These are common during peak hours. Book your ride earlier than needed and choose reliable options like GrabCar or Just Grab with high-rated drivers. Use the Share My Ride feature to send trip details to a friend or family member. Always verify the license plate and driver's name before hopping in. Inside the app, you will find a safety center. Use it to call for help or report issues instantly. Peak hours often have promo code. Keep an eye on the rewards. When was your last peak hour ride like? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.